Happy day children. In this video we are going to see part 9 of large numbers. So the second rule says when a symbol is represented in succession, that means when it is repeated, it is always added. As you can see, I is written 2 times continuously. That means you are supposed to add the value of I twice. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Here's another example, x. So x is 10. So x plus x, that is 10 plus 10 is 20. So as you can see here, x is written 3 times. So I'm going to add 10 3 times. That makes it 30. As you can see in this example, it is C and C. So 2 times C. So C stands for 100. 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. So this is called as a repetition rule, where the alphabets are repeated means you are going to add them. The third rule is a subtraction rule. So when a smaller value is placed to the left of the symbol or before the symbol, then you are supposed to subtract the smaller value from the greater value. Here in this case, I is written in front of V. So you know the value of I and V. So I stands for 1 and V stands for 5. So if a smaller value is written in front of a greater value, you are going to subtract. So you are going to subtract I from V, not V from I. So V minus I, that is 5, minus 1, that is 4. So always subtract the smaller value from the greater value. As you can see in this example, it is I and X. So I is smaller than X and it is written in front of X. So X stands for 10 and I stands for 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. And XL, L stands for 50 and X stands for 10. So 50 minus 10 is 40. C stands for 100, M stands for 1000. So 1000 minus 100 is 900. So always remember children, when a smaller value is written to the left of the bigger value, it is always subtraction. And you will subtract the smaller value from the bigger value, not the bigger value from the smaller value. Let's do it. So here I have given a number 1658. Always remember, when you want to write an Hindu-Arabic number into a Roman number, try to break the numbers. So I am going to divide this number as 1000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 8. So doing this, it becomes easy for me to write them in the Roman numerals. I know I can write 1000 as M. So children, 1000 can be written as M. So 600 can be written as D and C. So I cannot repeat C for 6 times. So I can write it as 500 plus 100, that is D plus C. 50 is written as L and 8 is written as V, I. So the answer is M, D, C, L, V, I. So always break the numbers and then try to write in Roman numerals. Let's see another example. It is 2491. Again here, try to break the numbers. So I'm going to write it as 2000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 1. So 2000 can be written as 2 times M. 400, I cannot write C 4 times. So I'm going to subtract 100 from 500. So that can be written as CD. And 90 can be written as XC plus I. So the answer is MMCD XCI. As you can see children, I have written CD. That means C is subtracted from D, that is 500 minus 100, which gives me 400. Then comes 90. So I cannot write X 9 times. So I have written XC. That means X is subtracted from C. So 100 minus 10 is 90 and then I. So this is how you are going to write the Hindu-Arabic into Roman numerals.